YouTube, man. Hey, y'all boy Hideous Q. And this is actually my first car meet I've been to. These niggas talking about 30 to get in, so we better sit on the side where everybody at. Got my nigga JD. Got my nigga JD and DeMar J right here. Hey man, say man. We got my nigga Will right. Hey Will.
I'll be good.
Hey man, y'all go sub to this nigga channel, man.
I wanna be selling, bro.
We got Jamarion too.
Yeah.
And we got.
Yo,
hey man, shout your channel out.
Man, 186 Roman, man, bro. Y'all go subscribe, bro. Hey man, y'all boys not ready for this collab, bro.
Hey,
y'all boys not ready for that.
I'll put the link to all their channel in the description, but I'm gonna let y'all know.
Fucking GTO, fucking GTO, nigga.
But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all boys back up when we get some more content, man. Hey bro, y'all think these niggas gonna do something crazy or hell nah?
He might do something crazy in the charge. I like that Audi.
Ain't shit like old John?
Nah, not that.
But bro, I want to see this nigga do something crazy, man.
And he got the 40s on that shit.
Oh nah, he ain't gonna do nothing crazy. Hey, this charger need to do something. Hell no. That shit sound good. That shit sound good, man.
No, that shit.
What the fuck? Hey. That shit sound. Hey, we got this nigga JD over here. Hey, bro, how these cars sounding, man?
Huh?
How these cars sounding, man?
Sound good as fuck. Get me one.
Hey, February, March. That's all I'm saying. Hey, February, March. Y'all gonna see my car. That's all I'm saying.
At first I was saying better.
February, March. I'm getting my shit, man.
He getting his shit, bro. He said February, March.
On me.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, what the hell this is? Hey, this a GTR? Hey, that's a GTR, ain't it?
Yeah.
Nigga got a GTR pulling up to the meet.
That's a nigga drive. That shit's crazy. That's a nigga driving, bro. I ain't never seen the black man. On guys, GTR, bro.
Black nigga.
White man.
A black nigga driving GTR. Like no racist shit, but we thought that was gonna be a white nigga. This nigga over here being a pothead. Oh that's a Hemi. That's a Hemi, man. But let's see what this Hemi do.
That shit.
Let's see what this Hemi gonna do. Bro, his shit don't sound like it got nothing on it, bro.
That bitch sound good.
Hey, there go a Camaro over there. I don't know y'all boys seen that shit.
That nigga waiting. He gotta do some fire shit, bro. He waiting.
Hey, who that black nigga walking across the street? What he doing? That's a Hemi sounding like that. That's a base model V8 sounding like that, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, all the Hemis sound amazing, bro. Like,
bro, that's a base model Hemi sounding like that. 5.7 liter. That shit crazy right there. Hey, Kai, there go your Benz you talking about, man. Hey, Kai, Ben. Hey, you say you getting your Benz next year, Kai?
man, y'all just wait till we go up, bro. Everybody finna be in their shit. We got like 2 more hours, bro.
Well, I'm about to say, man.
He finna get him a scat. What you finna get,
bro? Yeah, I'm about to get me a scat. But even if I don't get me a scat, I'm getting me a 5.7 liter Hemi. What this is?
SS.
Oh, SS right here?
Chopping, bro. Chopping like a motherfucker.
Oh my god. Bro, is that shit Cam? Yes, bro. That shit Cam. Oh my, that shit sounds so. That shit sound nice. That shit sound nice, bro. Y'all let me know, bro. Should I give me a Challenger or Camaro? What that is?
I think
Bro, y'all let me know. Should I get me a Challenger or a Camaro, man?
Hey, bro. I think you should get a Challenger, bro.
Bro, I feel like Challenger the way too. I like two-door cars.
Get the Challenger, nigga, and then take the front grill off, and then put the fucking the cat grill, like narrow body cat grill.
Hey man, y'all hear what Jamarion said? He said get the Challenger and put a cat grill on it, man. What y'all think about that?
And then put the RC symbol on it, the big blue one.
But too many niggas got Chargers. That's why I don't want a Charger. Too many niggas got Chargers, man.
No, bro.
I was thinking the SS, bro. The fucking mod capabilities on the SS is way higher than the.
Bro, you said the SS?
But what y'all boys?
Bro, why you feel like the SS, Will?
It's a, you know, it's a 6.2, it's an LS, bro. You can do hella shit.
I ain't gonna lie though, bro. I'm going to.
But the Scat is 6.4 liter though.
I know, but you're gonna be.
Can't modify that shit. You gonna lose though, bro. Every race, bro.
Man, it's gonna be a tough, bro. In between the Camaro and Scat.
Video, nigga, my phone versus your Scat, bro.
We gonna do what, Jamarion?
Shit, my phone versus your Scat, nigga. You got to, bro.
Man, when your shit get left, don't say shit.
I'm not getting left, boy. I tell you that right now.
Bro, I'm thinking about getting that SRT Scat though. Y'all seen that hoe, right?
Leaving this nigga. SRT tonight. Leaving this nigga.
Bro, this shit about to be crazy, man. And we still got this nigga over here being a pothead.
It is stoner, man.
Hey JD, where you gonna get, bro? Where you gonna get, bro?
I'm finna get me a goddamn Hellcat for real.
Hellcat,
nigga.
Hellcat. Hey, Challenger or Charger?
Goddamn Challenger. Yeah.
Hey, y'all hear? Hey, both of us gonna be rocking Challengers, man. Both of us gonna be rocking Challengers, man. Hey, bro, but y'all see the fit though? Some basic. Y'all see the fit? Let me know if y'all, bro. Should I post some pictures, man? Hey, JD, you think the girl needs some more pictures, bro? See, hey, man, I'm going to have to post again. He said I don't post, man. Hey, man, they're going 392. I'm talking about, man. Hey, he gonna make some noise? Bro, that's how my shit gonna be sounding, bro. That's how my shit gonna be sounding, bro. That 392. Hey man, like I said, I don't want y'all on my dick when I go up too. Y'all niggas that not supporting now, when I go up, I don't want to hear y'all niggas saying, oh, I remember we used to be cool, we used to go to the same school. Now fuck that, y'all not supporting me now?
Hey, he's speaking facts, bro.
Y'all not supporting me now, don't ask for shit when I go up.
If I only talk to you now, bro, my shit go up, bro, I don't know you, bro.
I still smell that fucking tire smoke on my shit.
Bruh.
This nigga, he just, I don't think he going. They caught me slipping so bad.
Man, this man is a Mustang fan though, bruh. He getting nothing but Mustangs,
bro. Mustang.
Bruh, I feel like, bruh, I got Camaros over Mustangs, in my opinion. I got Camaros over Mustang, man.
I ain't gonna lie though, bro. I do too, man. I do too, but.
Hey, Jamal, hey, how about this, Jamal? What if I get a Camaro, line that shit up with your Mustang, and do your...
I'll get it regardless, bro.
This nigga got a horse, like dead ass got a horse over here. What the hell this nigga about to do with the horse?
What's the name of that car? A GTR? R35, bro. Them shit.
This nigga about to get the horse ran over.
Stupid. Nigga, you about to get the horse ran over. The horse finna go run over. That's one horsepower right there, bro. Yeah, the car gonna be stopped, nigga. Nah, the horse gonna be standing.
The fucking horse finna goddamn fly over here, nigga.
You know? No, the bitch of that shit gonna fly over there. The car gonna stop instantly. Whoever that is dead, nigga. You gonna be hit with a leg, nigga.
Bro, what the hell this nigga doing?
That dumbass ain't gonna ride behind me.
Oh, I thought he was about to make this horse take off for a moment.
What the fuck is that? Why you just don't get over it? Oh, I think ain't really told it. This is a Raptor or a TR right now. Raptor. Old Raptor.
Man.
That nigga cap, nigga, put the lights on that shit. That shit not a Raptor, bro.
Man, I thought that nigga would go crazy with his fucking horse, man. That Audi hard too, right there. That shit hard right there. Hey, man. This shit, we better go up, man. I tell you, I'm back on my grind. But these niggas still have us fucked up $30 to try to get in. AJ, do you think we should shoot their ass and go in? I'm just playing YouTube. I don't condone it. It was just a joke, man. Don't take my video down, man. Damn, that's a Camaro sounding like that. What the fuck? AJ mode. Man, hold that nigga here. U-turn, man.
I think that was the same nigga who came in here and did a burnout.
Nah, that shit was
Bro. This shit hot.
That one louder.
And it's crazy because this is my first time coming to one of these like car meets and shit.
Dude was right here at the automatic. Yeah, that sounded like a
Man, is that nigga gonna hit a U-turn? I want to see. I don't want to. Is that his ass?
Somebody coming out.
Is that his ass?
hell yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, wait till I get my shit, bro. And y'all already know my dream car. And y'all already know my dream truck is a track car. What this is?
How does she sound like that?
Sun coming down, ain't it? What's coming down?
What the fuck was that? That was a car. That was a car. That was a dog. I think it let off right when he got right here.
Man.
That nigga Ivan did not get that.
Hey, is that a CTS over there?
I don't even want that shit no more, bro.
Hold on, is that a CTS over there?
CTS.
Bro, what y'all know about that CTS? Oh my God. That hoe right there is sexy. That hoe's sexy. Man, I tried to get my boy Shallow and my boy Jaden come out here, but they were busy, man. They go cap. Hey, JD. Bruh. When we get our shit and come to car meets, that shit over with. That shit over with. What this coming on? Big rig pushing that shit. But hey, what y'all think, bro? When I get my shit, should I de-badge that shit?
That's what I said. I would do.
Bro, should I
Camaro or a stat?
Either one. Should I de-badge it?
Side badges though. I leave like the SS on that shit just to let them know.
Oh, this that cam motherfucker. This that cam motherfucker. Uh-oh. Hey, I feel like he about to do a burnout.
You got it for 5 shit,
Man, I thought that nigga was about to burn out how the way he was going.
That nigga did not do what I expected.
I thought that nigga was about to do a burnout. What is coming down?
That's the Camaro.
Oh, the same Camaro? That's the same.
Come here.
That shit sound hard. That shit sound hard. That shit sound hard.
Bro, y'all see the back of it?
That shit sound hard.
That is him.
Something like that in the back?
Yeah.
The other niggas.
That shit hard as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
Camaros are sexy.
And that's crazy too, cause I haven't seen that color too. I really don't see niggas. That's why I want some type of color that niggas don't got. So when niggas see my shit, they gonna be like, I want my shit like a turquoise blue. Like if I do like a turquoise black and blue, oh my God. I'm about to go live. Ah shit, Will about to get in his shit. What that is? Oh shit. Will get in his shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, Will. Hey. Hey. My boy said he said what's up to y'all, but
Huh? Oh, yo, what's going on?
damn.
Ivan,
Hey,
hey,
this nigga better not take our nigga spot.
My boy Ivan. What's up, my guy? Oh, shut up, my fan right there. Back. I mean, it's spots right here, though. Oh, I'm just spots.
Hey, that's somebody else. We in locked on you, Zay.
Rebound, nigga. Damn. You know, you get all this shit today.
We in locked on. Hey, y'all see I'm on live too. Live with it. We got crazy ball. What that is? Oh, that's Will ass.
That shit don't sound good.
Talking about Will shit. What the fuck he did to his shit?
Huh?
What he did to his
I
shit?
think it's just straight pipe. Shit got everything, nigga. Straight pipe and
What that is? Is that a cat? Scott? Let's see our boy pull back up. Look at the big red. Bro, where Will at? That's a long ass U-turn. There you go, Will ass right there. Oh, he going again? No! What the fuck just happened, Will? That shit sound hard. Huh? Huh?
bitch that time. That bitch heavy too.
Good. What all did you say, bro? You said we gotta leave because she got walked out.
Fuck, motherfucker ain't getting no fucking customers anyway.
That shit fire, nigga.
I want to see the CTVS leave, bro.
You looking for like an hour though. I didn't care.
Already got fuck with this shit.
What that nigga will say he already got content. Fuck them niggas, bro.
Fuck them, bro.
Doing that shit.
Oh shit, that shit. That shit hard.
Yeah, he got it. Hey, what he finna do?
Stall like a motherfucker.
The fuck that is? That shit have no. That shit not really making noise. That shit sound ass. Huh?
They talking about drifting out of there.
Huh?
They talking about drifting out of here. With him. How the fuck did you come in, do a whole 8, and then come back up?
Why the fuck they didn't come this way?
Try to go down there? I want to see that shit. Down there. You gotta go anyways. Nigga tripping, bro. We don't know how to drive manual.
Huh?
What that?